If you're getting Photoshop error 501, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Photoshop installing again without wasting time. This issue is usually caused by Adobe background processes, locked files, permission problems, or a corrupted installer cache. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. That really helps support the channel and lets you know when new guides go live. Alright, let's start with the first fix. Step 1 is to force close all Adobe background processes. A lot of the time, an older Adobe session or a stuck update service is still running in the background, and that can stop Photoshop from installing properly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Once it opens, go to the Details tab or the Processes tab if that's what you see. Now look carefully for anything starting with Adobe, Creative Cloud, CCX Process, AGS Service, or Core Sync. These are the most common background services that can interfere with the installer. Right-click each one you find and choose End Task. If you see multiple Adobe processes, close all of them before moving on. Once they're all shut down, try the install again and see if the error disappears. If Photoshop error 501 is still showing, move on to step 2, which is to clear third-party file locks with a full reboot. Sometimes the problem isn't Adobe at all. It could be an antivirus app, a file indexing tool, or another background program locking the temporary installation files. Instead of trying to hunt down the exact program, the easiest fix is to restart your computer completely. A full reboot forces Windows to release all active file handles and unlocks temporary folders. After your system starts back up, don't open any other apps yet. Go straight to the Creative Cloud desktop app and click Retry on the Photoshop installation right away. This simple step solves the issue for a lot of users because it gives the installer a clean environment to work in. Next, if you're on Windows, try running Creative Cloud as administrator. Sometimes your standard user profile doesn't have enough permission to override background system threads or file access restrictions. To do this, completely exit out of the Creative Cloud app first. Then, right-click the Creative Cloud desktop icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. From the menu, choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once Creative Cloud opens with elevated access, try the Photoshop installation again. This gives the app more control over system files and can help push the install through when normal mode fails. Now let's move on to the fourth fix, which is cleaning the local installer cache. If an earlier install or update crashed halfway through, it can leave behind corrupted temporary files. These ghost files may look like they're still in use, even when they're not. To clear them, press the Windows key and R at the same time. In the Run box, type %temp%. Then press Enter. This opens your temporary files folder. Look for folders named AdobeTemp or any files and folders related to the Photoshop installation download. Delete what you can. If Windows says a file is currently in use, skip that one and delete the rest. After that, empty your recycle bin to remove everything fully. Then restart Creative Cloud and try the installation again. In many cases, this removes the corrupted cached files that were causing the error in the first place. If you've followed all 4 steps and Photoshop is still throwing error 501, double check that no Adobe services are still running, restart one more time, and try the install from a clean boot state if needed. But for most people, one of these fixes will get things working again. If this video helped you solve Photoshop error 501, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. I upload easy tech guides to help you fix software problems fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.